We are proud to present our latest renovation project. We're in 1KL, a private apartment suite, and it's 2,000 square feet with monochromatic luxury design for you to enjoy. Welcome to the lift lobby. This apartment design is quite special. We wanted it to encompass around black and white and also some gold accents. Here we have a bronze mirror panel with a pattern, and we match it with this geometric floor pattern and the gold gilded ceiling. The client wanted to add a seating area for her guests, so we added this sofa and coffee table set so the client can enjoy the view with her friends. When you arrive at this apartment, you will immediately see this living area. The clients really love to travel and they love the ambience of hotel. So this area is meant to feel like a guest lobby.
To create luxurious feeling to this space, we have this 8-seater dining set with the black marble table, matching with a beautiful chandelier and a pair of crystal wall lamps. This is a glam room for her, where all the designer pieces to be kept, equipped with security system.
For the kitchen, the client wanted something like international hotel buffet style. With the limited height, we played with coffered ceiling by using cornices to bring up the height. With the generous space that we have, we are able to fit in a 4 feet by 11 feet island where you can serve guests and also act as a breakfast counter on a daily basis. Without overpowering the whole look, we applied gold elements here and there to bring out the luxurious feel in an elegant way.
Here we are in master bedroom suite. The concept that we inspired to design this room is the Coco Chanel. To complete the look of the room, we customized all the loose items. And also we imported the luxurious lighting fixture. This bedded feature wall design is matched with the ceiling with some slim black lines. Beside the bedroom area, we also have a walk-in closet. For the wardrobe, we're using the base coating to continue the similar concept.
Please show your support by following us on our social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Klaas Design and Build for more amazing design transformation.